All right, folks, welcome back to another mind-bending episode. Today, we're diving into something fun and a little tricky. Tongue twisters that could supercharge your fluency in English. You know, language is like a workout for the mind, right? Just like you would train those muscles at the gym, you can train your speaking skills by stretching your tongue.
Wow, that sounds super cool. But, could they actually help with fluency? I mean, do you really think just saying those phrases makes a difference?
Absolutely. It's like practicing those tricky sounds and getting used to the rhythm of the language. Think of it as a musician practicing scales or a dancer learning new moves. Each time you go through it, you're improving your coordination. For example, if you keep tripping over "she sells seashells by the seashore," you're actually enhancing your mouth's movement control, like tuning an instrument.
That makes sense. So it's kind of like, what if I tried it before a public speaking event? That could be wild, right? Imagine trying to say a tongue twister right before I step on stage. I mean, wouldn't it freak me out more?
Haha, that's a great point. But think of it this way. It's a warm-up. Just like athletes have rituals before a game, it could serve as a pre-game prep for your brain. I remember a friend who was terrified of public speaking. They began saying tongue twisters in front of a mirror before their presentations. They ended up gaining tons of confidence, and they became an incredible speaker.
No way. That's such a neat idea. So, do you have any, super tricky examples? What's the craziest one you know of?
Oh, definitely. There's this classic, "How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?" It's all about rhythm and the sounds bouncing around. But here's where it gets wilder. Try saying it 5 times fast without messing up. It's like a puzzle for your mouth.
Whoa, how does one even practice that without laughing? What if I mess up and go, "How can a clam cram in a clean cream? Can?" Wouldn't I just sound ridiculous?
Haha, yes. But that's the beauty of it. You have to let go of that fear of sounding silly. Language can be playful. When you laugh, you're actually relaxing your jaw and boosting your fluency. I once took a workshop where everyone just, let loose and tried it. Eventually, we were all laughing so hard together.
Haha, sounds like a blast. So it's all about, embracing those silly moments, right? But, how do I know if I'm really getting better? Is there some kind of, metric for that, you think?
That's a fantastic question. You can track your fluency by setting small goals. Start slow with a tongue twister, then speed it up each time you try. If you can eventually say it 3 times in a row without stumbling, you've achieved something amazing. It's that feeling, too, when your mouth feels more comfortable and the words flow more smoothly. That's your win.
Aha, so it's kind of like progress moves in stages? That's super encouraging. Do you, have any tips for when they get really difficult? Manipulating my mouth sounds... Wow, that's intense.
Absolutely. When the going gets tough, just break it down. Take it phrase by phrase or sound by sound. For the clam one, focus on "how can a clam" first, and then add in "cram in a clean cream can." It's about piecing your puzzle together. Just remember, progress over perfection, my friend.
I really love that. It sounds so freeing. Okay, I'm totally gonna try these out. I can already imagine my friends laughing their heads off as I, butcher these tongue twisters.
Haha, yes. And that's what makes it memorable. So get ready to stretch those vocal cords and let the tongue-twisting journey begin. Keep experimenting, and who knows, you might just impress yourself. And your friends too.
Yes, I love this. Let's take on the world, one twist at a time.